Hello students, welcome back to Shastra classes. Today we'll solve the balance questions of blood relations. So let us start with the 25th question. The 21st question, there's something wrong in that. So let us move to the 22nd question. So they are saying that A is the son of B. Okay, A is the son of B. And while B and C are sisters. So B and C are sisters to one another. E is the mother of C. E is the mother of C. If E is the mother of C, she will be mother of B also. D is the son of E. D is the son of E. If D is the son of E, he is the brother of B and C also. Which of the following statements is correct? D is the maternal uncle of A. A का mother का brother is maternal uncle of A. Obviously, D is maternal uncle of A. This is correct. Let us go to 23rd question. P is the father of T. T is the daughter of M. So, if P is the father of T, T is the daughter of M, it means M will be mother of T. So, M will be mother of T. M is the daughter of K. So, M is the daughter of K. Who is P to K? To K, P is nothing but son-in-law. We don't know the gender of K. Whatever might be the gender of K, P will always be son-in-law to K. So let us do 24th problem. A and B are brothers. Okay. A and B are brothers. Fine. E is the daughter of F and F is the wife of B. So F is the wife of B. E is the daughter of F. So if E is the daughter of F, it means she is daughter of B also. What is the relation of E to A? What is the relation of E to A? To A, E is brother's daughter. Nothing but niece. Simple. So let us do 25th question. 25th answer. M and F are married couple. M and F are married. Okay. A and B are sisters. A is the sister of F. If A is the sister of F, then B is also sister of F. Who is B to M? What is B to M? M is B is spouse sister. Spouse sister is always sister-in-law. So guys, आप समझे M and F are married. F का sisters are A and B. So spouse sister will always be sister-in-law. So next, let us do 26th one. If M is the mother, if A is the mother of D, A is the mother of D. B is not the son of C. C is the father of D. Okay, A is the mother of D. B is not the son of C. Okay, C is the father of D. If C is the father of D, it means A and C are married. D is the sister of B. D is the sister of B. Let us change this with the information that we have. Okay. D is the sister of B. So guys, I'm redoing it again. Sorry. A is the mother of D. A is the mother of D. B is not the son of C. B, okay, B is not the son of C. C is the father of D. C is the father of D. If C is the father of D, it means A and C are married. D is the sister of B. D is the sister of B. So it means she is the child of A and C. Then how is A related to B? See, they said that B is not the son of C here. If B is not the son of C, but here we can see that B is the children of A and C. It means not the son means B is daughter. Okay. So B is daughter. What is the relation of A to B? A is mother, B is daughter. So to B, A is mother. I hope you understood it. Let us do 27th one. A and B are brother and sister respectively. Okay. A is brother, B is sister. C is A's father. Okay, let me rub this also. C is A's father. So if C is A's father, is father of B also. D is A's sister. D is C's sister. Sorry. D is C's sister. And E is D's mother. If E is D's mother, she will be mother of C also. How is B related to E? How is B related to E? E's granddaughter is B. So 28th question. Q is the son of B. Okay. Q is the son of P. X is the daughter of Q. X is the daughter of Q. R is the auntie of X and L. R is the aunt of X and L. R is the auntie of X. Okay. And L is the son of R. L is the son of R. Then what is L to P? So guys, if Q and R are brother and sisters, then R is daughter of P. So we have to find the relationship between L and P. So to P, L will be son's, see, daughter's son, nothing but grandson. I hope you understood it. Guys, 29th one is repeated one. We have done it already. Let us do the 30th one. A and B are the young ones of C. A and B are the young ones of C, means children. C is the mother of A, C is the mother of B, okay. But A is not the daughter of C. If A is not the daughter means is son. She is the mother means she is a female. And what is the relationship between C and A? Relationship between C and A is mother and son. Simple. So guys, in the next video we'll continue with the other questions. Thank you for your time. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to teach you.